picture. Hey, wait, Tom. Hmm?
Wave.
No, we don't want to.
That's not very nice, Thee. That's a bit rude.
Mum, I waved at our people.
Yeah, wave at them.
And I didn't. And I did not. And I don't want to wave at anyone. I would want to wave at them. No. We never...
Hiya.
Huh? No.
I knew I was going to.
No. What did you say? We don't want to.
Just
relax,
Theo, man. Where are we?
Juicy Patties.
Yeah, whereabouts?
In Jamaica.
There you go. Where are we?
We're in Jamaica.
Yeah, but whereabouts?
We moved.
Yeah, whereabouts are we today? What restaurant are we at? What restaurant are we at? Come on.
Juicy Patties.
Yeah. Alright, look, we're in May Pen. We're going on the street vibes. We're going for a little walk. I'll let you know how it goes. It's quite vibrant. So it's well busy around here, man.
You hold the baby and I'll hold their arms, their hands. Come. Good girl. Just mind the road, okay? Hello, I'm here at MediConnect and it's such a beautiful day. I'm going to show you inside and this is where I'll be working, doing your feet. Hello everyone, it's Misha. I'm the podiatrist here at MediConnect. Look at this beautiful treatment room and look at this beautiful space we're in. Clean, fresh, modern, absolutely beautiful. So come and book your appointment here to get those feet seen to. Yeah.
What are you doing?
We're going to stay back a bit as well. Gonna come round. You alright? You need to just keep that in front. Make sure you hold my hand, T. Hold my hand, T. Good girl. Well done. Good girl.
Maybe we should get one from the villages.
Get what?
They have to.
Good do. You alright, Hayes? What? Go and get it then.
Why did it blow off?
Come. Just come. Keep walking.
I'll make it not fish.
You need to keep your hand on it if you feel it coming off. Come. That's it. Come on. Mind the road. So, you know, you can tread on them, you won't go through. It's okay, you're not gonna go through. Cars can go over them, you know. Go on, stand up. Up, up, up.
When my line sliding, I don't know.
You alright? Come.
What have you found?
Come on. Come. Watch out, watch out. Come then. You alright with your hat? Come on. And then go through. Go through. Come on. Don't worry about your hat. Your hat's good. Yeah? Yeah? You alright?
Where are we walking to?
We're just walking. Let's have a
Where are
stroll.
we going?
Keep your hat up. Hat up. Well done. Do you want to take it off? Do you want it off? Yeah. Then hold my hand. Come on.
Get it around.
Hmm? Alright, you're good. You alright?
Mom,
Yeah.
I'm thirsty.
Yes, we're gonna get one. Don't worry. Don't worry.
Vehicle this time. I just sent back here, so.
You alright?
See us. Coming over from KFC.
Huh?
The smell's coming from KFC.
Yeah. So you know, Nanny was born not far from A Pen. This is Nanny City. Yeah. So when Nanny was younger, she used to come to this city. Or this town. It's not a city, but town. Yeah? Yeah. When Nanny was a little girl.
Look at how long that KFC is.
Hmm?
Look
You alright? Don't worry. I'm just going for a walk.
Don't take me this long. Not even longer.
I don't want... Rudeness is bad.
I'm thirsty.
We're gonna get something soon, don't worry.
How annoying. This will be taking for ages. Anymore.
Stop.
Hello, carrot.
Look at the clouds. The clouds look grey, don't they? Like they're gonna rain. So watch out for the car, so we can go around the car. You alright? Look at this pink one, Hayes. Come round.
How long is this walk?
Huh?
Why are we doing a long walk?
Because it's nice to walk. We get some exercise. You want to sit up?
No, Mum. No, I'm too hot sitting. No, I don't.
Stand there then. Oh, my back's sweating. Just keep an eye on the children. His hat keeps falling off, so it's probably better he has it off. It keeps flying off and he keeps getting upset about it. You alright, Mel? Alright? You alright? Just watch out. Gonna go in the supermarket. Yeah.
5 minutes for here.
Yeah, mind the wires, guys. Mind the wires. You alright, man? Cold. Okay.
I've only got 500 and we get it.
What's up? Yeah? What's up? Come. What's up? I'm here. Turn around. What's up? What's up?
I want a drink.
Can you ask nicely?
Can
With
I
manners.
have a drink, please?
Yeah, come then. Here? No. One from the fridge where it's cold. Yeah.
If you are standing there, turn around and try and get as much food as you can.
Right then. Oh, it's okay, sorry. What are you getting? No, that's broken.
You got one?
You'll get glass in your hand.
No, I've got you a drink here. I've got you a drink.
What's in there?
Pineapple juice. It's the same stuff.
Don't be rude. Be nice. Stop. Hold Hazel's hand and walk. Hold Hazel's hand. There is.
No, I don't want the pineapple juice.
You're not going to get anything then.
You are.
Because you're being nasty.
I'll just get back. Then no one can have any. I'll just keep them in.
Just checking to see if it's working.
You can do, yeah. Yeah, good. Skittles are cheap, dude.
Getting a drink?
It's fine.
We'll stop somewhere.
Yeah, it's fine.
There you are. How are you?
Alright, calm down, T. Calm down, darling.
What's the matter with you? Why are you crying? Why don't you say hello?
Why don't you say thank you, Theodore? How much is it? Oh. Thank you. You say thank you. Thank you. Well done. Because I'm going to take it away.
No, I got one.
Thank you. Oh, it's gonna rain. Go on. On my hand. Go on. Just stop whinging. Stop moaning. Be happy. Go on, sit down. Be happy.
So I'm in the town centre of Maypen outside Great Value.
Well, right near, is this the tower block? It is, isn't it?
Yeah, we're in the town square.
Yeah.
So I'll try and get myself a little selfie and that. Look, here we go. Yeah, look. Log one.
Go and have a sit. Don't worry about your hat. Don't worry about your hat. You're gonna have to hold Daddy's hand. Step over. Step. Good girl. Well done. Come here. You alright? You good? Really and truly, I need a bag. Swatch out, Hayes, yeah? Come.
Hazel, come in. Hazel, come here, give me a hand. Just hold Theodore's hand. Hazel,
She can't really.
yes, you can. Hold Theodore's hand.
Yeah? I know. Well done. Alright. Good girl. Sorry. Go on. Hey. You alright? Huh? Alright, he's down under. Good. Let me fill you up. You alright? Huh? Oi. Oh, my hand. You're dancing, T. You wanna go?
Go, Big! Go!
You wanna hold your drink, Kays? Hold it in the next hand. Ah, hold it. Let me take that one.
Uncle! Bini gawa ko na ano ko rin. Itlapon, check, mo kalay ko check.
Come on. Go. Good girl. Oh, pretty. Stop here. Hold on. Ooh, wait a minute. You ready? Come on. gentle. Turn around, T. Come. Ghana. Really? Yeah. I know. Good girl. You alright? Hmm? Gee, let's cross back on the other side, Hayes. Come. Because then you're on this side. Yeah? Do you want me to take the hat off, Theo? Come on then. Come over here. That's it. Mind the wet bit, yeah? Good girl.
Yeah, we're just walking back from town centre. Vibesy.
Chewing on it. Go on and step over. See?
Screen protectors, $1,000. Earpods with case, $1,500. Samsung phones, $12,000.
Täällä kävi sinä aas. Jopa ja polttava. Aja viiden mukaan.
Turn around and like look at the sun.
You alright, Hayes? Yeah. We just did, didn't we? It's alright, it makes for a different setting. Don't mind the yellow bit. Good girl. Well done. Go up. From this side. Go on. Good girl. Oops. Is he okay? His leg. Stop a sec. Oh, it's in my bag. My bag, thank you. You having a drink? Yeah. Come on, look.
Come here to dry them in our kitchen. Sometimes you can't find them.
Donuts.
Come on. We'll get some food after tea. Say that I'm crazy for calling my baby. I just don't care about money. Let's walk around. Find the duty. Good girl. Come this way. Come a bit more. And then come across, come to the middle. And then come across. No. Gonna come down. They can say that I am crazy for calling him my baby, but this how it's gonna be. You're right, Hayes. Yeah? Come. Huh? Huh? Yeah. What's that?
It's me on camera, just like doing this.
Oh.
Forget about it.
It's so sweet. Go this side. You alright walking? Yeah? Good girl. Well done. That's it, mind the floor because it's bumpy. Now walk in front. Walk in front. This way. And then down. Watch out, this way. Come on. Stop. This way.
Here they are.
Hello. I'm so tempted to go into Captain's Bakery.
I bet you are.
Yeah.
You're a bakery lover.
Yeah. And then go around the drain. Bakery. Come then.
Hi guys, we're back in the car. We've just done our tour of May Pen. Real humdinger.
Very vibrant again, very fun. Lots of people moving everywhere. Yeah, enjoyed it. What did you guys think of May Pen?
Good.
Oh, wait a minute.
Go again.
Good.
What did you think of May Pen?
Good.
Was it absolutely wicked?
Yeah.
Come and get your hands on the, get your face on the camera, Hayes.
They're happy because they got a few Juicy Patty chips, haven't you? Show them your Juicy Patty chips. Oh.
Look at this one, right? That's mine.
Okay, you're not.
Well, let me have a little sip of this. Let me have a little sip of this lyrics. Man's got the lyrics, yeah?
Yeah.
Bitty bitty bo, bitty 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 bo. Is this daddy on the microphone?
What was his name again?
Lyrics. I'm a lyrical genius. Lyrical, spiritual, miracle, tyrical, biblical.
Big shout out as well to the loveliest subscriber that we met in Juicy Patty in May Pen. Such a lovely guy. Really nice, really friendly. Honestly, like, we've been so blessed with the people that we've been so blessed with the people that we've met here in Jamaica. We've just met the nicest
can you come
people.
onto the camera screen?
So yeah, hello to you again, and yeah, really nice to have met you.
He just poured it all down his front.
There's never a dull moment
being
here.
silly.
Never a dull moment. Are you getting out your seat?
Yeah,
then?
shout out. Really nice to meet you, Brian.
Yeah, hopefully
honestly,
we'll see you again. Really lovely person.
It's lovely meeting people.
Yeah.
I don't know if I've said this before, but obviously I'm a teacher, and
amongst many other things he does.
But first and foremost, honestly, I would say that I'm a people's person, meaning that I actually love and like people and want to actually be around people and talk to people and chat to people. Yeah, so it's really lovely, like this aspect of us starting this channel and documenting our journey. The aspect that I really love is like meeting people and getting amongst it, and just chatting with actual real people and actually having eye contact with a real person in front of you and chatting to them. And it's just lovely because it breaks down quite a bit of like, it doesn't matter where you are in the world, if you're in a place and you know sometimes you can't just chat to anybody in the street, you know what I mean? But like this has allowed us to be able to talk to loads of people that I don't think we probably would have had the confidence normally to kind of to get across that bridge so quickly. Do you know what I mean? Imagine if we moved here and we weren't doing it. Don't you think it would have like? There's no way we would have spoken to as many people like in a night. Like, yeah, sorry, don't go on.
There's like one thing I think about is like making friends here and meeting new people in Jamaica. And like before we came, I just thought, oh, it's going to be hard. No one's really going to want to talk to us. I'm going to struggle to make friends. And I guess I really like felt a bit sad about that part, or like worried about that part. But yeah, just when you meet someone as nice as Brian who come up to us, it's just really lovely. It does make me think, okay, yeah, you know, we'll make friends eventually. And again, just having a conversation.
Go again, having a.
And again, just having a conversation with a nice person. It's just, yeah, it's really lovely.
It's like, yeah,
really, it's so simple. Someone coming up to us and saying hello, but
yeah,
it really makes our day.
There's nothing to it, is there? It's just a person coming up saying, oh, hiya, man. I know you, da 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 da. And the thing is, because Jamaican people, I don't know if you get this in England, but because Jamaican people, they seem to like be so friendly, honestly. And there just hasn't been that barrier there, has there?
Exactly.
And it has been lovely. And it not that I never had, honestly, have never lost my faith in humanity, but doing the YouTube has been a massive like cost benefit, hasn't it? Do you know what I mean? Like it's been a massive plus. Like the human side of it gets you out there doing bits. Yeah, it gets you wanting to explore. Then when you explore, you meet lovely people. Let people talk to you. It's really nice. It's really lovely. It's not like we're doing anything that adventurous. Do you know what I mean? We just come for a little tryst around town because we haven't really been to Maypen. We have been to Maypen a few times, but we haven't like just potted around town, have we? Yeah, we have got out. Okay, all right. We've been to this Juicy Patty before, and I've got out and done around. We've been into town. We haven't had a walk around town as a family as you do on a Saturday, just to like, you know, check it out and buy a few bits and go and have a Juicy Patty. Do you know what I mean? So we just thought of change of scenery. We'll come over here, and obviously we're just gonna like film it, really document our travels. And also Misha's gonna be working just down the road. What's it called? Medi Clinic, Medi Centre, It's called Medi Connect. Medi Connect. I knew it was Medi C something. So if you do have right near the hospital, like opposite the hospital. So Misha's a foot doctor, a podiatrist, and her clinic will be starting in June, and it's opposite the plaza where the gym is, opposite the Maypen Hospital. So it's easy landmark to be able to locate and find, and also there's loads of parking there. So it's really good, and it's all new and clean and beautiful. Lovely. It really is. Such a lovely space. It's a state-of-the-art clinic, isn't it, basically? Yeah, it's really nice. It's really good. Beautiful, modern, clean, just, where you want to go for all your healthcare needs and know that you're going to be well looked after. It's such a good clinic. So, that's one side of Maypen, near the hospital, but we're on the other side. Connect. All right, T, you got anything to say to the beautiful people?
Yes.
Go on then.
Chips.
Yeah, any nuggets of knowledge that you want to impart to anybody? Any messages? Go on. Go on then.
I want to go on a sailboat.
You want to go on a sailboat? That's what you. Okay. Well, hey. Go on. Say hello, Melly. That's a beautiful dream to have. You're a sailor. I like that. Say hello. Say hello. Hazel, can you come here and put your head over here so we can see your beautiful face? No.
Hazel's too busy eating.
Hazel's got her face in a
Look in the middle. and then
in a
you'll be able
juicy
to see.
patty bag. Anyway, have a lovely, wonderful day.
There she is.
Hey, look at that.
Sorry.
Let me see that beautiful boat race. Theodore, your head's in the way. Say hello, beautiful people.
Hello, beautiful people.
You had a nice chat as well, didn't you, Hazel?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm.
Oh,
Oh,
Melody.
Melly, saying
Good
hello.
girl.
Say hello.
Say hello.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Right. So,
Signing out.
signing off.
Like, subscribe.
If you want to like the video, please do. If you want to subscribe and you haven't subscribed, tickle that like button. That's my, instead of smash that like button, tickle that like button. Tickle the subscribe button.
And hit the subscribe.
Nice.
Oh,
Right.
well done.
Hey, what's this?
Bye.
Yes. It got there in the end. Yeah, so subscribe to the vids because no, there's a water. Yeah, man. I've already had my Malta today.
Yeah, fair enough.
Anyway, we're gonna head back now. It's late. It's 1:30 in the afternoon, so it's nearly my time for me to start settling down for the evening and putting my slippers on and that. So anybody got anything else to say?
No, just really like Maypen. We'll
Do
be
you?
coming back. Yeah, like it here. Very happy here. Yeah, I like again the vibrant market.
There's a lot going on again. I like all Jamaican high streets. They're pretty,
They're thriving.
yeah, they're pretty active.
Nelly.
They're pretty active. You know what I mean? There's a lot going on in a great way. There's a lot of things to buy, a lot of people to talk to,
Yeah.
a lot of reasons to get up and get out and go and do a few bits and bobs.
Lots
Yeah.
of sound, you hear music a lot, there's lots of smells, you got food everywhere. It's
Yeah, it's pretty
really,
wicked.
really cool. Yeah.
It is cool. It's top. All right, so bye. What else is there to say?
Nothing.
Ready? See you in the next video.
See you in the next
Everybody go like this. 3, 2, 1, say bye. Bye.